As a manufacturer, digitizing your operations helps you stay resilient and competitive. But you are not seeing the returns on your digital investments thus far because you face another problem: silos. And silos are what lead to disconnected operations, more manual processes, and poor user experiences. All of which keep manufacturers from realizing the business benefits of their digitization efforts. What if, instead of disconnected point solutions, you had one unified system of action? Meet ServiceNow, the platform of platforms for manufacturing. And here's the kind of difference it makes. In a single platform, manufacturers can connect their people, processes, and technologies while automating manufacturing workflows. With everything in sync, even your overall equipment effectiveness improves. Ensuring quality and managing maintenance are easier. Balancing IT and operations technology become clearer. You stay ahead of risk and security threats because you see them coming and respond faster. And you can accelerate new product launches and servitization efforts. What's more? From your supplier's supplier to your customer's customer, ServiceNow gives you better management of your supply chain and helps you collaborate with the right suppliers, distributors, and dealers. It does this while making sure your supply chain doesn't increase risk to your business or operations. All that is just the start of what's possible with ServiceNow, the platform of platforms for manufacturing. Productive operations, smoother experiences, safer employees. Learn more at servicenow.com.